The morons, hacks.
Hello guys, how are you? It's been a while since last video, but let's drive to work in my old Honda Accord 2.0 liter, 116 horsepower. Actually, the one of the slowest and the weakest engine put in this car. It's a Honda Accord from 95. Outside it's super dirty, so I will not show it now. It's green, mean green machine. It has some cheap button which put you on LPG driving and which costs you really less to drive it. It's a pretty reliable car, except the fact it burns so like shit. And otherwise it's very good car. It's stable on the road and it looks like a toy actually, but it's a big car. It's the Accord version, so it's a sedan. You can check. It's a little bit dirty, it's a little bit old, it haven't been good maintained, I think, but I took it because my Allroad car has blown its head gasket, and while I'm waiting to repair it or to sell it, I don't know which will be better for me. I'm driving this shit, and this clock shows that I am late for work, so let's go and fire up this baby. Okay, I hope you see at least something. Let's put this button and start this engine. Wow, it sounds so yeah, let's go and drive. Fucking shit, I am waiting for work. Let's go. Which way? I don't know. This way. The biggest extra of this car is the manual shifter, if we can call it an extra. It has two electric windows, left and right. The right isn't working at the moment actually, but who cares? It has this nice thing, like in the Land Cruiser. You can really keep with your foot and your fingers to this with your hands when you're driving really fast. Well, it's built to be fast, this coupe. Oh, I have some shit on the rubber, which is falling apart when I accelerate now. The car is really not so heavy, and the 2-liter engine is enough to make it go really easy without any effort on low RPMs for a petrol. It have too much noise from the engine, from the tires. It has some. The steering is not straight. Shit. And it has some noises from the right door. I don't know, something is broken inside, but who cares? It's Honda. It will last until I crash. Otherwise it will go. I think so. I hope so. I don't want to buy another car. Okay. Always stop at these passes. Okay, this is a cool guy. He likes my Honda. That's why he made like this. I'm sure that that's the only reason he made like this. Oh, again, traffic light, traffic jam. Shit. Okay, about the extras of this car. It has heating and it works actually. It's very nice to use these buttons. It's not like in the modern car when you put like this here. You use some real manpower here. It has inside circulation, outside circulation. Two buttons. The third one is an extra that I don't have. It has rear window heating. Yeah, actually this is an extra too. It has lights. Oh, that's a standard equipment. Okay, it has wipers and they work. It has water and maybe it works. Let's say it works. It has horn, from the both sides. You can press it here or here. If you are angry at someone and say you fucking pig, and you press here. Okay, it has handbrake. It actually works on the last position, otherwise it doesn't work. It doesn't work. Come on, stop. No, it doesn't stop. Okay, it has 5 gears, and when it was new, it accelerates from 0 to 100 kilometers in 10.56 seconds maybe. But now it's on LPG, on standard LPG, not on injection, and it's an old engine on almost 300, or maybe not 300,000, but 260,000 kilometers on the clock. Okay, let's go. It has sport filter, so that it can blow, and we can restore some of the lost horsepower. It has music, but now I have not put it, so I won't distract you with any music. Okay, 5th gear, 200, 2,500 RPMs, almost 90 kilometers. That's the gear ratio. It's fucking bus. The car automatically switched on LPG. Now it is. I actually didn't find much difference on LPG or on petrol in acceleration time. I don't feel it. Maybe there is, of course, but I don't feel it. It has an ABS, but you know, it's not working. Sorry. Okay. Let's wait. What? You want me to rev it? Okay, I'll rev it for you. Let's pour some oil. Yeah! Like a real sports car. Woo! That's the Honda. It's not a small car at all. Pretty easy to rev, and I imagine what it would be to drive a Type R. It actually will be very fast car. I think this is the weakest engine in this coupe. Maybe 1.8. I missed that engine, but let's say almost the weakest engine in this coupe. And no matter what, no matter that fact, actually it goes really nice. It can easily accelerate. Of course, it's petrol, natural aspirated. You have to put a lot of stress on the engine because it doesn't have a torque though. Actually, you know, Hondas have torque like your mixer in your home. It's almost the same torque, amount of torque that this engine produces. But it's 2.0 liter. It can be worse. What they can say with 1.3 liter Hondas. Oh, it has a sunroof. I forgot to say. That's the biggest option here. It doesn't have air conditioner, but who needs in the winter? But well, what I will do in summer? I'll have to change the car. Maybe. Okay, let's beat the clock. Beat the clock. Come on. My speedo is not working correctly, so the speed you see here is absolutely not correct. Actually, I'm driving with no more than 60 kilometers per hour, but the speedo shows bigger numbers, so keep in mind. Come on, traffic jam shit. I think that was it. Okay, thank you very much for watching. Watch our other videos. Watch my V8 video. I'm very proud to finally have a V8, but it's broken now. Shit. But I had it. I had my moments with it. I don't know what will happen in the next near future with it. With my V8 Allroad Quattro. You can watch the videos in our channel. The other mixer car acceleration like Toyota Celica and other. And with this it's time to finish. Thank you very much. Subscribe and bye.